Get that candle holder right there.
Yeah, you just standing on the stone.
I know we've had our issues with this. This is
my head right here.
We should bring this up in therapy.
Man, go get that phone.
That phone getting on your nerves.
Yes, it is. Ain't nobody want nothing. Answer it.
We about to see if they get them been back here.
Answer it. Hello? Hey.
So she made her one that's regular in that bowl by itself. She made a big box slice.
Okay.
Alright.
Hey, she back? Tell her I say thank you. She back?
Now she's taking her kids apart too.
Oh, okay. Well, tell her I say I appreciate it. All right, thank y'all. All right, love you. Yeah, man, really. He probably told them spice mines up too much. I'm sure gave my son that he sure told him. He the one told him.
All right, we got our rooms.
Here, put that.
Where we at?
We're in the same place where we was.
I'm talking about this, and he gonna do the inside where everybody was at. The inside where everybody was at.
I definitely.
Yeah, but we don't want to be where they is.
And I know that I saved them. It's just now they're not there.
You know not to tell me.
That where they was is higher too.
This is how it started last.
Yeah.
Little things here and there.
It's higher than where we was, and we would just come on me and say they should have came over there where we was.
Never.
My man said they should have came over here. Vanessa had to, they had to make a place with Vanessa
Spend some time
downstairs
then look for that.
Yeah, they got to go up
at the
and
hotel.
all that shit.
They got to go upstairs to their rooms. We don't have to do that. We just go in our room.
Let me make sure I get downstairs.
Wait a minute, where you at? You talking about make sure you get downstairs?
Hotel 6.
All them downstairs.
No, they're not.
They not.
Why are you cleaning my living room? I was just trying to help you out. Caitlin, I'm going to ask you something, and I want you to...
Did you tell me we want them next door to each other?
Yeah, I told them that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you use my computer last night? No? I mean, it's okay. If you want to get a line or... But I didn't. After I saw you coming up from downstairs, my computer was on. And it's a very important file went missing.
I went downstairs to get a glass of water. Why would I do something to your computer? Why would I do something to your phone?
I don't know, Caitlin. That's why I'm asking.
Put you in something downstairs. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. We put them downstairs side by side.
Good.
You hear me?
Uh-huh. That's good.
We'll get there about 1 o'clock because then we gonna leave up out of here early that morning around about 11 because I gotta go to the doctor. When I go to the doctor, we get to the doctor, we going on get that
I
eye.
heard something in
I'm
the
coming back here, we gonna
I
get the eye.
when she was in the hall, my computer was on,
yeah.
and when I went to
Yeah, I
go
hear
show
you.
in my work, the file was gone.
And you deduce that she went into your computer and erased all your records. Am I getting that right? Why would she do that, Liz?
I had no idea.
The girl
What
doesn't
we
know
were?
the difference between a Mac and a PC.
I don't know that just because she lives in her
What'd you
car,
say?
okay, fine.
I don't know.
Let's
You
assume
said, what's
she's
your
some kind of
word?
secret
What we
computer
run?
genius.
Yeah.
Why would she erase all of your records, Liz?
I know I ain't gonna go out buying no clothes no more.
I ain't gonna buy no more clothes. I'm just gonna go to the
AJ,
I'm gonna sit up there and walk around with a pants and shirt. I'm gonna go in there with no dress clothes.
we put up with a lot.
Cause we
We're
did
doing
last time.
everything that we can to make this work, Liz. Maybe you took on this night. It's anything too soon.
Caitlin, or no Caitlin, we are going to need money soon. I have
Oh, my
2
stomach
mortgage
cramp.
payments
Ooh, every
coming
time I
up.
come
We
hit
are
my
90
stomach
days
is cramping.
behind on the electric, and to
I thought
add to
the
that,
lady
I
was
soon have to
money
be paying
man
for my
lay
own
on her
hospital
face
bills.
mama.
So until your
That's right.
album is
Yeah, what's
finished
up?
and sells, this is
I'm
the
saying
book in which I find
Talking about the
myself.
one that died?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's the money man, baby's mama, the dog.
It's taking longer than expected.
So Tante,
Nikki is Tase's sister.
Because what if
so
you
Tante is
relapse?
not our cousin.
Yeah, Tase our
Be
cousin.
back to where you were a couple of months ago. Listen,
So
no
why
one's
that's
gonna
her
hire you again.
Why is you around a sister? Think about what you just said.
They got different daddies.
You shouldn't even told the person to let her figure it out.
It's true though, Liz.
I'm finna say, I thought you were saying this. That both of them is our cousin.
They are.
Both one way got rid of.
Huh? Because they ain't no kin.
You gotta stop.
It sounds strange, don't it?
Yeah.
Desmond Quint and them didn't like it, but it was happening, so there's nothing they could do about it. They started going together.
I was just like, huh?
Cause Nikki ain't no kin to Nani. Nani is my cousin, and that's Tase's daddy.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I felt Pam was gonna leave here because they said she wasn't doing too good, and we didn't see Pam at all. Remember?
No, I saw her, but I didn't see him.
I didn't see her at all.
I didn't know that was wrong or nothing.
She was sitting up there at the front row at the funeral.
Cause she was just talking to laughing with us in the kitchen. I didn't know who she
She
was.
wasn't feeling
No.
good then.
The lady that passed away.
You remember Maria?
But I didn't know that because I never got really close to her. I never did get close to her.
And when we went to her
Right.
house, you remember they said
I never went in the house, period. I stayed right outside.
but she was in her room and laying down. They said she wasn't feeling good.
What you say?
She
Yeah.
said, was I at the house with y'all? Where was I, Mary?
You know what I do.
I don't know.
If my dad was there, I was there. If Kai and DJ was there, I was there.
I wasn't with y'all.
You was at the house, though.
Girl, you was at that house. Shut your damn mouth. Hell, where you think we went? What's wrong with you?
Bro, oh my God.
Mirror is gone. Psycho.
Because I thought you was talking about the...
I want her to shut her mouth line.
Because I thought you was talking about the...
Oh my God. I was starting saying that. Shut your mouth.
I thought you was talking about the lady that y'all went to after, y'all was at the other house.
No, not Pee-wee's
Remember when we
house.
got at the...
Come on, Pee-wee house.
Oh, Pee-wee.
Where they put that?
It ain't her name. Her name is Rosetta. We just call her Pee-wee. We've been calling her that all our life. Her name is Rosetta Perry. Her name is Rosetta.
I feel guilty.
We named her Pee-wee.
What's wrong with her?
I just told her I feel
Ain't shit wrong with her.
Pee-wee. Pee-wee chick leg.
She little.
And when y'all went to the other lady house, I went with Amy Kill.
That's the only person you remember?
looks like you have a stalker.
Is that the only person you remember?
She said she remember Ain't Kill.
Yeah.
No, I said I went over.
After all the
She went with Ain't Kill.
after all the people was there, she said I remember Avery Kill.
Jackie.
Now she talking about she went with them when we went over Pee-wee.
My name's Kayla.
Which I went back to the hotel.
What's your number?
It's kind of a strange moment
She ain't called back because it's your phone. I'm tired of her with
I
what I'm
called
talking
her from
about.
your phone. She blocked me again.
She blocked you again.
Yeah. What is it? She's so silly.
She is. That's stupid as hell. That's stupid as hell. In other words, that's what's saying that you can't even talk to your own sister sibling.
I don't care. You heard me.
That's stupid as hell. And something bad gonna happen to her. She keep on. Yes, she is.
I'm a bad client. What happened to her?
Hey, I'm sorry if I seem like...
Damn, Amira. If you got, Mira, is this online? Why I can't see nobody saying nothing? Ain't nobody here?
Ain't nobody saying that. Don't. Y'all being self.
Somebody there got,
That one person.
but if you got it,
That one person that always watching. She was on there a while ago because I seen it.
that I think this bitch like a pass.
That's a what?
I think that's her for real. Cause she do it every time, but she don't never say nothing, and then she'll get them leave. She'll just sit there and watch me. This bitch like her.
Y'all gonna fight, Granny?
If she keep fucking with me, we gonna fight, and I hope she see it on live, cause I'm gonna beat her ass. You gonna leave me alone, cause I ain't the one to mess with. She gonna have to find somebody else to play with, cause I'm the dangerous motherfucker that you playing with. She sure don't want it. She sure don't want no problem. She got a big one fucking with me because I don't fuck with people. I don't like people fucking with me.
Rachel want a problem, right? Rachel, my dog.
She gonna have more problems she thinks she has. She keep
Oh,
on.
man. You gonna go read the mirror?
I ain't gonna have to tackle her ass. My niece and them gonna get her ass. She keep on. Cause they show ass and what's her name. So she better be cool. She better be chill.
Well, you gotta throw your punch in there too. I forgot you can't fight. You let him keep fighting there, beat you up. Well, they say you finna put me back in boxing.
Family, a home, anybody can be 19.
Go ahead with the crazy shit.
I feel like I can't
Tell
trust my
him,
instincts.
my mom don't want to get the golden gloves. I'm putting it in there anyway.
I'm dating her. I feel like
Oh, man.
You know what I think she done did?
What?
I think she done put this thing on live, but she done put it where I can see. Sometimes you can slide my things over.
I don't know why it's enjoying it.
See there?
I'm gonna end it and go back live.
Just when I started to feel good, you know, just when I started to feel like I
One person on her kid, they be watching.
I just feel
Ain't nobody on that thing, girl.
You see it at the top. It say one. That one person that's watching you. They never say that it's watching. Look, up here. Am I telling the story or am I being for real?
Well, they need to. They got to watch say something because they look like goddamn stalkers.
Am I for real right now? The person's always watching them.
I don't like that damn. That's fat.
What, say like this?
Yeah,
Now you eat every kind of fat, but you don't want to see the fat.
I sure do. Y'all want some?
Doc, but there's a one person over there that's always
Do you
watching.
want some? You must want something else to be secretive.
And his profile never pop up. Whoever it is.
Right, because they a secret. They watching.
I was thinking about getting Chinese food.
What is they passing?
What you say, Pastor?
I said, watch fishing.
Oh.
Don't make me think you're taking up with nobody now. Be a problem.
Oh, man. Oh, y'all were wrong. Y'all made my stomach hurt. Last flesh out. This is what do you want some?
Just over there.
You know, we really haven't had a chance to talk since I left the hospital.
Oh, my stomach cramping. I ain't gonna be able to do this. I'm trying my best.
I'm so sorry for the things.
Do you want some? You looking? Do you want some of this?
I just, you know, I lost control, and it really wasn't me.
What are you going to see? Y'all
Oh, my stomach hurting me. Oh my God, I'm about to take this pill. Hand me one of these now. I'm about to put it up. I ain't gonna be able to do it.
She said she gonna beat you up if you wrong.
I ain't nobody put fuck with me. Oh my God, my stomach hurting
I can
me.
make you some room in icebox
Yeah,
for that.
I need some bad.
I made some room.
I left them big crabs in there. I can put this back in there on the table.
Oh, you done open the big crabs.
Nah, I got a couple of them out of there. I left them in there though. But I got a couple out and I ate one.
So
I can't go no further. Mm-hmm.
You didn't feel like making the other sauce.
Not right
You
now.
gonna take some more anyway.
I know and I ain't got time for it. My stomach hurting, I ain't got time for it. Okay, y'all want some of this? Yeah, see, I know how to buy it. Yes, I do. But I buy it for me, not a whole fucking group.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I don't buy this for no group. Yeah, who can buy this for a group? This here cost me over $300, but I'm gonna go buy it for a group. They, shit, I can't do it.
You like better.
I wasn't gonna tell that lie and say I can do it, yeah. I wasn't gonna tell that lie.
Yeah.
I just want to say I'm sorry.
I don't give a damn, Pastor. I'm not scared of no ghosts. I meant what I said. Shit, I'm not gonna buy all this here for them.
Has your wife so silly?
What is wrong with him?
He accidentally kissed her. And her don't want nobody to find out. Oh, Slims.
I'm telling honest to God truth. I cannot afford it. Somebody need to buy it for me. I got to eat it
Y'all,
all the time.
she rich, y'all.
Rich my motherfucking man. You're rich and needing help.
You rich and money, ready?
I'm rich and needing help.
Them babies go flat twisted.
I wish I was flat chested. Not flat, but just a
You
little
know what's
bit.
crazy? You wish
I don't need no whole lot like I
you
got.
had Mimi chest and Mimi wish she had your chest. Mimi always wants, she wants some big old boobs. Come on, when I die, put me with some red lipstick on, the red sexy gown, and give me some double D implants.
Y'all want some eggs? I got eggs. I don't think they ain't got in here is my corn because I don't feel like cooking it.
They ain't go there.
Yeah, stay on here. They don't never see Patsy with me. She done broke up from me.
Why would I want to kiss AJ?
I bet they say her man don't never have
When
be
them
on
have
board
one
with
of those
her.
shrimps.
I bet they say her man don't never be on live with her. She shame of her.
Oh, when I thought you was giving me that?
You better get going.
But how you don't want to dig my hand in your food?
You always do that
No,
first
I
time.
don't.
It's the DNA results.
Cause I'm at the couch.
Coco act like some roll over and licking the couch.
She's my daughter.
You better quit licking that cow.
Oh, she is a darling.
What? What?
Huh?
So she just freaked out.
So his dog.
DNA was okay.
And y'all said say she wasn't.
Pastor said that. You did not hear me say. He didn't say that. That's not what happened.
Try to make her own movies. Don't you, Pastor? Pastor, they be telling Pastor something. She think they telling her the opposite. I better eat this egg. You want egg?
Granny, that you know eat hard boiled egg.
You want egg?
She trying to play me.
Sure, this party's a good idea. So soon?
You know, we have this party every year for your father. It's his birthday, and it means so much to him, even though he pretends that it doesn't. And I just don't want this year to be any different from any other. I just want us all to go back to being normal again.
Pastor, you want some? Pastor, quit lying.
What does normal really mean?
I mean, Mama, quit lying.
What?
Didn't you say you ain't ate?
Pastor said she a vegetarian.
No, didn't you just tell Pastor you ain't ate? That's when you eat that
I
much.
haven't.
She said she ain't ate all day. She ate 2 trays of that stuff.
Pastor, Mama lying.
They just turned green.
She scares
I
me.
didn't say that.
Go get a bag, baby. Let's put this up. I can't do it no more.
Okay.
She's not good. That's what you're
That's not good. You know, my mom
Are you ready?
locked me in the house. Whatever.
You over there looking like Queen of Hearts.
This is to protect.
I'm put these in the shrimp in the same bag, I guess.
believe me, you're gonna see a tarantula too.
Granny, why Mirror was like, one day I was in school, they got beat up. I'm like, what? I been letting the white kids beat them at school. What?
Mama, quit lying.
For real. Remember you remember the time you told me that little white girl beat you up?
No.
Don't tell a story.
Ain't no white girl beat me.
You didn't tell me that.
To be safe.
It'll get easier.
You know, I was like, that white girl beat me up.
Mama lying to her. Move that there. Well, put it right there if I can put this in there because it's dripping. Put that back right there. Yeah.
What were you wishing that she were secretly an active murderer? No, I guess not. It's just it's so.
One thing I know.
You know, I mean, I yelled at her in front of AJ. Just I don't know.
And I was trying to teach her how to fight. Just like she be saying.
Yeah. Blame yourself.
Okay, it's a little bag in there for these shrimps.
Great, look at that belly.
I put the shrimp in the. Give me one of them little bags. I put the shrimp in the eggs in
Why
the
you put
same
the little
bag.
bag?
I think I set them on the table, didn't I? Coco, every time this motherfucker, you hear a lot of noise, you don't have to think I run. You're pissing me off. I'm put your ass in the backyard. Cause that's pissing me off.
Y'all scared.
Ain't nobody scaring Coco. Coco just acting ignorant.
I think he threw it away.
Oh, man.
Look, that Wingstop bag in there.
Ah, go get the Wingstop bag. What kind of Wingstop bag? Paper bag?
No, for the talk about for the shrimp.
Oh.
Nakatomi Lodge.
You could have carried one of them grocery bags on.
And this got a hole in it. What I supposed to do with this, Amira? See, I pay attention. I'm just gonna put this on here. We need another bag for that other stuff.
You want to drain?
That's what I'm putting it in here where it won't drain. God damn. The bowl got it. I'm going to show y'all some pasta too.
You can show some pasta.
I'm going to show them some pasta.
Now you can show them what versus the pasta.
Yeah, that's one. I'm going to fuck them up. Watch me at 10 minutes. Give me a bag. Y'all must really like me because y'all would not say nothing. You act like you're scared to say something to me. But every time I hit this doggone thing, okay, well, go then. Every time I hit this thing, you on here private. Won't say nothing. Quit watching me. That's what you call a stalker. Say something to me. Don't just get on here and watch me every time I get on here. I don't know who you are. Where?
Right, Wild Bill look like a balloon.
I don't have to tell you, but I'm very, very sorry.
Cause she eats.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Let's go do it to Lenny. Let's go do it to Lenny.
I probably eat them members.
On top.
It's fat.
I was sick.
Is that still on here? I'm gonna show them something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to do want some of that. Do y'all want some of this too? Y'all want some of this? This called shrimp pasta. You want some shrimp pasta? You want some? Go get this on. I ain't never thought about something watch. Like every time you get on here, they see you, but they never say a word. That's crazy. Tell Pastor, pass that. Somebody in here stalking me again.
Smoke a cigarette.
Sorry for what? When it's been up there.
Now look at this. My two favorite girls hugging it out.
Somebody in here stalking me, Daddy.
Do you mind?
Grady.
Stop it.
They get on here every time, but they won't say nothing. They won't even show their appearance. They just hear them.
Hey, Paul. Hey. Wanted to introduce you to my long lost
This is the 11 motherfucker. Really.
This is Paul. Wow, it's so cool. Hey, I'm Paul.
Caitlin.
So you were lost? I'm glad you got found.
It's really cheesy, Paul.
I couldn't help it. You look pretty.
My baby always helps me. Amir, she helps me. She puts up my stuff and everything. You can't beat that. Ooh, such sweet, good lemon. You better start doing it. Ooh, what I say?
Ghost.
Oh. Oh, my stomach cramping.
It's a romantic getaway.
For real.
Baby.
Mm-hmm. was the Coco outside?
Yes, sir. You all can share them, is that it?
What the hell are you doing? Tough shit. Do you understand? What's the matter with you? Do you understand? Hey, Galen, no. Dave, relax. Relax. That's my daughter. And we were talking. Paul, get out of here. What's your problem? Get out. You get out of here, Paul. We were just talking. That is my daughter. Get out.
What's wrong with him? He must want his own daughter.
That's not his daughter.
The DNA
Yes, it is. The DNA said it was him.
Man, that's his daughter.
Hey, bro.
The DNA said it was him.
He don't know that's not his daughter.
No, that's a lie.
Passing.
Oh, you talking about different?
Passing. Are you somewhere else with a movie?
Hey, Chris.
You say that's a lie, and the man read the DNA, him and his wife in the garage, and they said that the child was his, Pastor.
We'll see what's the movie.
Okay.
He don't know that's not his daughter.
I overreacted.
He's the one that did that to him.
No, he did.
That's somewhere else.
No, I'm talking the dad is the one that introduced the girl to the boy.
No. Oh, yeah, he did. But the girl showed up on his doorstep out of nowhere.
He brought his daughter to him and introduced him to her.
I know what young guys are like.
So why is he acting like that? Because he like him?
Right.
Doesn't look like
And they were just talking.
It's
He
not
got
normal.
mad.
You know, I don't know what you want, Liz. I give up. I don't know.
She's not normal either. She kissed AJ, you know.
What do you mean they kissed? You saw them kissing.
I heard them talking about
My phone on the floor.
Tell me that.
Now they looking up in my dress.
explanation.
Now they can see my head.
No, they can't. The camera way over there to the couch.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Am I not allowed to have
So why did they just fall like that?
Cause the ghost.
Everything I do was for you.
I hope you ain't breaking my card. Got a bit like that.
Through the last 3 months. I mean, your mood swing, accusations, you're shouting.
Do not name what you did tonight about
I've
me.
got all this little lunch break and that
Your condition. I know everything
What?
in this house. Oh my God, your condition.
What'd she say?
I don't even know.
Why do you think I lost my marbles on some kid flirting with my daughter downstairs? We all release pressure in different ways, Liz. So yes, I screwed up. Okay, can we just leave it at that? Every single person.
That probably ain't even his daughter where he acting though. I'm like passing.
He don't know it's not his daughter.
Basement tonight, not that you.
It's not his
What is
daughter.
that supposed to mean?
He think that's his daughter.
Talking about Liz. Hey. What are you doing?
Does it look like I'm doing?
Caitlin, don't do this.
I can't do this anymore. This is way too much for
No,
me.
but this milk's still
Caitlin, don't
good.
leave. Not like this, all right? Come on.
Mom,
Hey, look
it's
at me.
still
Come on.
good.
You were the one
I don't know. I don't know that nigga been in there.
3, 20, 21.
I was not competing at all.
That's 4.
We must just bought it in. Y'all just ain't got none. Y'all just ain't up.
3, 20, 21.
2 weeks ago, she said, so it might be good.
It's a whole new one.
That don't make no difference. Don't nobody go by no damn dates, but y'all rich. Hell, if it's still good, I'm gonna drink it. It ain't nasty. People just be full of shit.
If it's not good, you'll see because the water's not going to be shot.
I'm gonna go drink that milk. You probably gonna be sour.
No, that milk supposed to be for the cereal that she ain't been eating. She been too busy going up there cooking
It's
stuff.
gonna be sour.
That cereal that make any good.
Ain't gonna be able to throw it away my
Huh?
I said, if it's not no good, we'll throw it away by smoke.
That's when I told you, see, was it good?
Well, I'm not gonna taste it.
You always used to.
It's like, it's not for the taste.
It look like y'all be able to smell it or something if it ain't no good.
What you eating on? They good.
A lemon.
Miss G's watching. And he says, you didn't teach read this. AJ. Take you to school?
Ain't that the boy he tried to beat up?
Oh, that's his
sorry.
son.
Okay.
That's when he tried to beat up. He was
Yeah, I know it may be hard to
he
believe.
had like bond her, you know.
But once you have kids of your own, you're gonna understand.
You barely know her.
That's not true. It's not true, AJ. She's your sister.
So? So what Paul was saying on, she liked it.
Now, you know what? I was wrong. I admit that. Paul should have known better. You don't walk into somebody's house and start fondling their daughter. You don't do that.
Fondling? You make it sound like it was some kind of date
He
rape.
was being aggressive. AJ, he was. Now, I'm going to apologize to Paul. But what's important to me is you
Amir,
understand that what I did
what you
came
doing?
from a good place, even though it was a mistake.
I'm
and it
putting your
was.
stuff in that box.
Okay?
Oh God, my stomach.
I did.
Oh no.
Because I love
What the hell in here?
Oh, where?
that includes you.
Where?
A fly.
Oh.
Oh, there was some kind of book. You can put this here sauce on this here and put it in there. That's a whole stick of butter. We ain't gonna throw that away. And put that in that box. Don't waste it on you.
I'm going to split up.
I don't know.
You probably should have told her one at a time. You acting like that.
I thought you could eat your face probably.
Girl, I'm not gonna taste nothing. I ain't got my stomach is. This I'm trying to eat this here and hope.